Guys, today we are at Casares Beach, Carazo. 25 minutes only from 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗪 city and 1 hour and probably 20 minutes from Managua city, the capital of Nicaragua. Thank you guys for following us on YouTube. Thank you, Betty, who's behind the camera. Today we have a great opportunity that is right on the beach. Oceanfront, a house that comes with half of an acre, 2,400 square meter, 3 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, swimming pool, parking space, very private from the highway. And one more thing, it comes with an extra an extra apartment that you can use for passive income. So thank you guys for watching and following us. Don't forget to subscribe. Today you and I, we're going to learn about this new listing that is ready to be purchased. So let's go. Nice. I like how this main living is catching all the breeze from the ocean, and of course, open those doors, you get the view as well. Look at the living space. It's actually roomy, high ceiling. That's a nice touch, and how they leave the doors open allows the breeze go through, so you're always gonna have a constant cross ventilation. Very important, especially if you are at the Pacific, right on the ocean. This one connects nicely with the dining area, which is also the side for a good round table, 4 chairs, good. And again, catching the view from the ocean because they have good wide open windows, 2 doors that allow you to go outside where you have a nice terrace. In the meanwhile, check how they really have this beautiful transition living and the dining area, which is also for your breakfast, because next door, guess what? I have the kitchen. Let's go and see it. Nice kitchen, like it. It's actually easy walking from the dining area where we have more space here. Good for your stove and fridge, enough space. People always complain with me, Carlos, I like to cook and I want to have a nice size kitchen, and this place is not the exception. I love the way how they lay out everything here, because you have on a counter, another sink, furniture, another space for more to serve your food, big stove, that's actually good, space for double door fridge, and then you have another extra sinks next to me, which is good because this is a kitchen, I can tell you, if you're looking to prepare food for your family, friends, and party, and you need room for a lot cooking, this is definitely ideal. Next to me, the pantry, good, because you organize everything, and if you want to have a door, you could have the door, but they said no, we like to have it open, better flow. Something else I forgot to tell you before is these homes also have energy powered by solar, which is great. You can see in the video the solar panel. That's gonna keep the energy bills low. That's a good touch. Thank you, owners, because you thought about that, especially when you live in Nicaragua. Always think about the energy is a factor. So definitely this house comes full equipped with the solar panel system. It's brand new, and they have also a water pump system, pressure the water, and the water is also coming from the city. Plus, they have an extra reserve in a bag and a water tank for backing up. So that's also another feature that is important to mention about this beautiful oceanfront home. Let's go and see the rest of the house because it's really nice. Let's go. Very cool. I like this kind of little spacing between these 2 rooms. They have another section where you can have your books or storage something else. This is really cool about the size of this home and the high ceiling. Constantly, I always remark how important it is to have a high ceiling. I can tell here is over 10 feet probably. And with that slopes down, also guarantee that the water is always gonna be out. no leaking, everything looks so clean. And this is the TV set or TV living area. Huge TV. Again, they also set up an air conditioning unit here. So if you want to cool off this place, the only thing you need to do, just close the door and instantaneously you can immerse this room for a nice TV, let's say a movie night. This is a great movie night, your own theater in the house. Because they have an extra space in this living, they decided to have a place to be entertained. Again, guys, definitely the house, it comes with so many features that gonna brings to you a place with comfort, relaxation, and a peaceful place to stay. If you're planning to come to Nicaragua very soon and you don't know how to go, where to go, who can pick you up at the airport, just send me your WhatsApp or email and our team from 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪 can take care for you. And if you're looking at a place to stay, in the meanwhile, you're looking houses like this one and decide to purchase a property, also my friends from 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗢 can help you to make a book and reservation as well, pick you up at the airport. So anyway, guys, let's continue looking at the house because I can see how much things and how much potential and how comfortable this home really feels. Look at this little baby right here. I just found this one. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? So guys, definitely question answer. You can have a pet here. Yes, you can. Well, look at this. I found another full bathroom. This is one of the 5th bathroom we have, which one is next to the TV set room. Ideal if you have a own personal theater. Now we're going into one of the 3 bedrooms where we have an extra closet right here, another closet here, air conditioning, and they set up a personal gym. So this one can be used as is now, or you can convert this one into another bedroom. If you're looking for only 2 bedrooms, but you want to have extra space for your personal gym, you got it now. If you want to have a 3 bedrooms full functional home with an extra space for your gym, we have more space outside. Definitely that's not a problem. And remember, the house comes with everything in. I have a TV set, a huge air conditioning split unit, and this room also comes with its bathroom. You know what, guys? Definitely, this is my room. I know, because when you got a place like this one, everything feels so comfortable. I love the way they kept this classic furniture. You know what, with the lamps on the side table, your brand new air conditioning inverter. That is a good thing to say because that also helps to preserve the power bills lower. And right here, we have the closet. Right here, they built in the bathrooms with everything you need, and huge windows. From one of these windows, you catch the view from the swimming pool section and the ocean side. Again, walking into this room, something I can tell you is that everywhere I go at this home, I feel the breeze. That's because we are just close to the ocean, to the water of the ocean, but the winds actually constantly. That's a good feature about this place. Something else also is important to remark about the property is how much land you have to build other units next door and make it profit with the same land. Let's continue looking, guys. Oh, wow, let's look at this suite. This is what I call a main suite. Fully equipped. I can tell right away how comfortable you can feel in this place, especially sitting here on the bed or just sleeping in the morning, wake up on the Sunday or Saturday, and the first thing you're gonna see is the ocean waves, all those nice waves. It's right there, guys. Look at that. That's what I'm calling an ocean view property, but at the same time, from the bed, walk straight to the sandy beach is only what? 10 steps away, nothing. We have 2 full bathrooms. Yes, we have one here. Open it. There you go. Nicely done. Tiles, shower, toilet, everything. And it's also another details about this home is how they build it with concrete here and group and tongue wood pieces design. So now if you go here, open it. Yeah, they actually, you can tell they updated with these nice colors and furniture, mirrors, everything. You can tell. They say, Carlos, we like the idea to keep both bathrooms, but we're gonna make something special with this one. I love to come and check out about properties right on the beach. We are, don't forget, at Casares Beach, Carazo, close to the 𝗙𝗥𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you, Betty, who's behind the camera. And don't forget, if you're looking to buy a clear title oceanfront property, 3 bedrooms with 5 bathrooms, swimming pool, an extra apartment that you can make into a passive income unit, this is definitely in the market. Don't forget to subscribe, and here you are, my telephone number and my email, and you can say, Carlos, send me more information. I want to go and take a look at it, and maybe this is your property. So don't forget, I want to see you at the next adventure.